Welcome, I'm Belle. This is my classroom, and actually today I'm really in my classroom. I'm at work right now, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys about some activities, like activities that I usually play with my students, with my young learners. They're like from 4 to like 7 or 8 even. So these are some flashcard game-like activities. But yeah, before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I put a new video every single Friday, and the video is always super fun and colorful. And please give this video a thumbs up, give a comment below what activity you guys liked the best, and if you have other suggestions, please leave in the comments below too. That helps me a lot. My channel is taking a while to grow, so you can do, one of those things or all of those things. That helps me a lot. But yeah, without further ado, let's go right into the video. So here are my flashcards. I have a cake, sandwich, pizza, popcorn, apple, and cheese. So the first one is actually a memory game. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I've done some activities like this here before, and the memory game is one of my personal favorites. I really like this one, and I'm gonna show you guys here. I'm gonna try to change the angle of the camera a little bit so you can see how the game works. So I'm gonna pick it up. Alright guys, I'm actually holding the camera, so I'm sorry if this is a little shaky, but I guess this is kind of the best angle that I have to show you. So this is how it goes. So first I drill the content of the flashcard a little bit. So I say cheese, repeat, cheese, and they repeat. And then like apple, repeat, apple, and they repeat. Popcorn, repeat, popcorn, and they repeat. Pizza, repeat, pizza, and they repeat. So that's kind of a drill that I do before. And the memory game goes like this. So I say cheese, apple, popcorn, and pizza. And then I ask them, do you have a good memory? Let's test your memory. And I ask them, close your eyes. And they close their eyes, and I turn the first card facing down. I put it facing down, and I ask them, open your eyes, and they open their eyes, and I say, do you remember the cards? And they say, yeah. So they go cheese, apple, popcorn, and pizza. So I ask them to repeat all of the cards, and I do the same thing again. Close your eyes. They close their eyes, and I turn the next card. And I ask them, do you remember? Open your eyes, do you remember? And I ask them to repeat everything again. Cheese, apple, popcorn, and pizza. And I ask them to do the same thing again. Close your eyes. And I ask them, open your eyes. Can you remember? They go again. Cheese, apple, popcorn, and pizza. And I ask them one more time, close your eyes. And I do this one last time, and when they open their eyes, I said, do you remember everything? So I guess you do have a good memory, so let's repeat. So they say all those names again. Cheese, apple, popcorn, and pizza. So that's how the memory game goes. So I'm back on this angle. So yeah, that's the first one. I feel like the memory game one works the best as like a sense of achievement or something, because they feel like really happy when they remember everything, and that's really nice. A really nice activity. It's a drilling activity, but it's also a game-like activity, so I really enjoy that. You can do that with pretty much everything. There's, the beauty the magic of flashcards is exactly that, because you can use flashcards with anything, basically. So yeah, let's go to the next one. So my next flashcard activity is more of a recognition activity, so to see if they recognize the things that we've just learned. So it's like an activity to do pretty much in the beginning of the lesson, because it's a recognition activity. So if you want a video on like the step-by-step of my lessons, or the kind of activities, how to pick and choose the activities for kids, so leave in the comments below so I can know and make a video about it. Alright, so here's how it goes. So I tell them a word. For example, sandwich. Sandwich, and they say, no. Sandwich, no. Sandwich, no. Sandwich, no. Sandwich, yes. So they have to say yes for the right word. Or apple. Apple, no. Apple, no. Apple, no. Apple, no. Apple, yes. Or like cake. Cake, no. Cake, no. Cake, yeah. So that's a very simple recognition activity, and you can play with kids of any age. And in the beginning of the lesson, right after you had like a drilling activity like the memory game. So I usually do this right after the memory game because it works for me very well. So that's the number 2. So now for the third flashcard activity. I'm gonna actually stand up for this one. So, welcome to my classroom. So here I have, like, I'll put, for example, the cake here. I'm gonna put the popcorn there. I'm gonna put the cheese here, and I'm gonna put the pizza. The pizza there. Okay, so here's how it goes. I say, go and get the cake hopping. So the students go and get the cake hopping, just like that. They get the cake. And then I say, go and get the popcorn flying. They go flying just like birds. Go and get the cheese rolling. So they go get the cheese rolling. So something like that. So this one is really fun. It works every time. It's really nice to do with kids, and they really like it because they get to move around a lot. And I guess it's needless to say that I absolutely love flashcards and having flashcard activities in my classroom. I don't think there is one lesson like with, especially really young learners like 4, 5, 6. I don't think there is one lesson that I don't use flashcards. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope to make more videos like this, like talking about teaching techniques, teaching strategies. I really like these things too. I know they're a little boring, especially if you're not a teacher, but if you are, stay tuned. If you're just an enthusiastic person about it, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave in the comments below which of the 3 you liked best, and suggest other activities. Maybe we can make the comment section below a place that we can share, as teachers we can share with each other activities and teach better lessons. So I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I see you next week for a brand new video. Bye! you.